Hi, I'm Rasmus from Maturix, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a concrete mix into Maturix In-Situ. And I'm going to add a concrete mix that has been calibrated using the Nurse Saul function. And this data you most often can get from your laboratory or a third-party laboratory, or maybe even from your ready-mix supplier. So let me show you how. So I'm currently logged in right now in the Maturix web portal under the concrete database. And as you can see over here, I received this information. I have a concrete mix name, I have the maturity in degree hours, and I have the strength in PSI, and then I have something known as the datum temperature. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on Add Concrete Mix. You can see that I have to insert a concrete name, so I'm just going to copy this one over here. And then under the maturity function, I'm going to choose Nurse Saul. Let me just put in the name again here. And under the data points is actually where I have to add these. So for every amount of maturity here, I have a strength value. So if I take the first 430 here and the correlating strength and click Add to the data set, you can see that the point here has been added to the graph, indicating the first data point and the first relationship between the maturity and the strength. And then I'm just going to do that for every data point. And the last one. There we go. So now you see that the graph, or also known as the calibration curve, has been automatically drawn in here using these data points found by doing calibrations, breaking specimens, finding out what is the temperature history up until that moment when you do the compression test. And from those results, I got this calibration. And what I can then do is that I can choose either to have the strength predicted using linear segments or logarithmic regression. I'm just going to keep it at this. And then the last thing I need to add is the datum temperature, which for this concrete mix is 0. It can also be -10 or something like that. It's the temperature at which below the strength development kind of ceases or stops. And for this, I have to type in 0. So that's everything I need to do. I'm going to click Save Concrete Mix. And now it's saved to my concrete database, and I can use it on different projects and simply just add it with 2 clicks. So this is how you add a concrete mix to Maturix that has been calibrated using a Nurse Saul function.